Huai Kum Dam.
Good day, everybody. We're coming to Huai Kum Dam. It's a hydro generating dam here about an hour from Chaiyaphum, Thailand. We've not been here, so it's all going to be new for all of us. It's been a beautiful drive coming up here. I'm going to post a little bit of the drive so you'll see. It's a forested area, very nice. And hopefully, I'm not sure I can since it's a hydro dam, but I'm going to attempt to fly my drone as well. Sometimes hydro dams have restrictions for safety.
I think not hydro, maybe because Chulabhorn hydro dam, big, very big, but this small.
Hey everybody, we're at Huai Kum Dam. It's a hydro generating dam. They don't use the electricity that they're getting here to go to the cities. They use it for their park employees. So it's really a good idea, a good plan. And he's only had it running for the last couple of weeks.
We have our FC. Wear our shirt, red shirt. Huh? I will go inside, okay? Very beautiful. เขื่อนห้วยกุ่ม in Chaiyaphum. Very beautiful scenery.ก็มีรูปนะ เย็นมากเลยพี่โอ้ยพี่น้ำอยู่ข้างล่างพี่ว้าวนั่นน่ะสิคะไม่รู้เหมือนกันพี่เขาคงไม่ให้เราไปเขื่อนห้วยกุ่มการไฟฟ้าฝ่ายผลิตแห่งประเทศไทยว้าว Very nice.เขื่อนห้วยกุ่มแดม
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know my heart beat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score when I lose my breath. sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heart be needing. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh, you take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Yeah, you take me higher, baby.
Okay, everybody, we hope you enjoyed the footage here from the dam. It's a beautiful dam, a lovely facility. The water is down a little bit because they're using it for hydropower. If you like the content, please reach down here to the bottom and mash that like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. It doesn't cost you anything, and it helps our channel with the algorithm. So this is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going.
Out.